Hi there, hope you're doing good. Okay, so here this is the second file of the workflow automation in the Google Sheet. So I have seen your message stating that the sheet team leader tool not found. You are getting this error. This happens for shift manager as well. Fine. Also the main page. Run Ben Mori. Yeah, okay, so the problem I found it is you can see the tab name. So once it says that it cannot identify a sheet, it means the name you are giving it in the drop down is not matching with the name available in the sheets. So like for example, let's check this one. So this one says Shift Manager Manager, whereas the tab name is Manger. So there is a spelling mistake in it. So once you run it, it won't find it. So once there is a broken link and you want to transfer the raw from Shift Manager to Director, it won't because it could not find the Shift Manager tab itself. So how can it transfer to the director? So this is one thing. The other thing is once we do the process, both of the problems you are mentioning are related to the same issue. So there is a mismatch in the names. So let's try this one. Ben Mori through process. So let me. So how I fix it? So to fix it, what I've done, I have added a new functionality. What that will do? It will create a tab control if it is not already available in the sheet, any of the file, like for example, this file, or if you take the code from this file to another file. So what it will do, this will run automatically once you open the file. It will go through all the tabs of the file and it will list all the tabs in an alphabetical order and it should skip the tab main. I'll make sure that it's skipping the main. Um, and it will give you this list on the control tab. Once the list is available, we need to make sure that all the drop downs are linked to this sheet instead of manual entering manager and leader. So I'm going to link it to that control tab in this row, leaving it all open so that if there are more than eight rows, eight tabs, it will work. So now this is completely automatic. So what it will happen? What will happen? You can see a red dot on the top of on this cell. It says that this is invalid, so this is not correct name. So the problem is basically, if I'll see in here, the problem is space. There is a space after two. Okay, so let's try. So we have fixed the names but not corrected in the drop down now. So let's see. Team member does not have anything. Let me fix it. um let's first test what you were checking, Ben More, and then I will test rest of those. So let's go to the Ben More. So currently it's in trainer, but there is nothing in the trainer. Okay, let me remove this trainer. I'll delete this from here and then I'll select. Okay, now let me show you. There is nothing in the trainer, nothing in the ATM, nothing in the team member, team leader, director, or sheet 11 is our sheet. So I'm going to start from the team member. So I'll transfer it to team member. You will see a pop-up. So the row moved to the team member. Let's see if it is. Yes, it is. Now I'm going to transfer it to the ATM. Let's see. It is in the ATM. Yes, and not in the team member. Now I'm going to transfer it to the trainer. Let's see. Let's ATM removed, transferred to trainer. Now I'm going to shift it to team leader one. Let's see. Is it in the team leader? Yes. Is it in the trainer? No. So this is fine. So what example you gave me? I just tested it by only correcting the name of the files. What else? He pops up on all the tabs and remains. So now you see it's not popping up on all the tabs. Moving from the window. Okay, so this is fine. So I understood your logic for the in the first time in the first place when you explained me. So I thought this is a um team task system related thing. So now, what I was mentioning to it. So you can see all these red corner on the right top means these names are incorrect, not matching with the tab names available. So let's see what is the problem in here. Team leader. So we do not have any tab called team leader. We have team leader 1 or team leader 2. We do not have any team leader tab. Getting my point? So we cannot use any of these team leader, advanced team leaders are like this. So you have to have this tab available first and then you can select. So I have done it in the reverse order. So you will only see the drop down for the names for those whose tab names are available. Only those will be shown in here. So this way it will be foolproof method and you will not be able to select any wrong name or enter anything which is not available already so that the data can get transferred to the correct tabs. So I'll delete these. Okay, now sorry. All right, so I'll start from the team member. Let's see. So this is other than Ben Moore. So this is number 7, row number 7. Now I'm transferring it to ATM. It is in the ATM and not in the team member. Let me make a change. I'm just testing it on for the first time online. So I'll make it 1234 and hit enter. So you can see 1234 is updated in here. Let's push another to the trainer. Let's transfer the Osborne to trainer. Sorry, it should go into the ATM now, doesn't matter. So it is in the trainer. I'm going to transfer it into the ATM. So now we have two entries. Yes, we have two. Now I'm going to make a change in this. Let's make maybe 4 hashes or 3 hashes. You can see it's updated. So now you can see everything is working fine so far, but you can have it tested on your end and make sure that it is working for you and you are understanding the process completely. How I'm doing it, what was the wrong, what was the thing wrong, and if you are planning to transfer all this code and functionality into another tab, you just simply go to the extension app script and you will be able to see this code. I have made this code in a way that this is the transfer part and this is the sheet name, the initial part where it will run on open. As soon as the file will get open, it will take all the tab names, it will go through the sheet, take all the tab names and create a list on the control tab so that those can get used into the drop down so that you are using the correct tab names so that the data is transferring on the correct tabs and you are seeing a seamless, flawless thing. So that is it from my side. I hope this makes sense. If not, please do let me know so that I can explain it further, or we can always have a call to discuss. Thank you so much for your time. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.